Alright folks, we got another one. This is a tailgate classic. Instead of doing smoked fried wings, I'm flipping it on his head and I'm doing fried smoked wings. Watch out. It's going to be with a creole twist. It's going to be some good eating. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to enjoy this one. Watch out now. Yeah, boy! Beginning. This is a bowl of chicken wings. We got it filled up to the rim with water, and I also have apple cider vinegar in there to help clean that chicken up. You know, I soak it in apple cider vinegar for maybe about 40 minutes to just try to clean it up a little bit. You can use lemon juice, of course, fresh lemon juice, whatever, but you got to get that raw chicken taste off of it, man, to make some really good wings. So y'all stay tuned. These wings gonna be fire, yeah. All right, let's get this party started with these wings. All right, what I have here is a cookie tray, or whatever you want to call it. I have a piece of parchment paper so I can keep the pan dry, and I have a lot of paper towels, a whole bunch of paper towels. And what we're gonna do is take these wings. We just want to get these wings on here out of that brine. I drained the brine off already, but right now I'm just really trying to get them dry. You want, with this recipe, you want the wings dry. I'm talking about dry. You don't want no, I don't know why these birds want to come out when I'm cooking. They must smell something real good. But anyway, you just want to get these wings spread out. We're gonna dry them off. It's a lot of wings, man, and this is a great tailgate item, man. You could do this before the day before, man. This is gonna be phenomenal, man. This is gonna be some good eating, man. More work up front means less work at the tailgate or at the cookout. More time for you to chill. All right, I'm gonna take my gloves off and just take some more paper towels. And we're gonna dry them off, and that's it. Just trying to get them as dry as you can. I'm gonna let them sit here for a few minutes and dry off, and we'll go on to the next step. All right, for these fried smoked wings, we got to put together our base. This is the base of it. Creole mustard. I'm gonna put it all in a measuring cup. All right, that's about 3 tablespoons of Creole mustard. Spicy brown mustard, or any kind of mustard you like. If you like Dijon mustard, use Dijon, but I wouldn't recommend it. I think the spicy brown mustard and the Creole mustard is a good combination together, and that's about 2 tablespoons. Again, this is just the base to hold it together. And then y'all know how I feel about that crab oil. I'm gonna add a little less than a capful of the crab oil. Again, with poultry, it's incredible. Mix it together. I got my wings right here. They're dried. I got them on some parchment paper on a cookie tray so we don't make a mess. But that's it right there. That's your base. Then after you get your base, I'm using my grilling dust and party dust together, but you can use any kind of Creole seasoning, whatever you like. And I'm going to mix probably about, that maybe about 1/3 of a cup in here with the mustard. All right, now before you put it on the chicken, I recommend you taste it. So let's do just that. Fire. Again, this is the first layer of flavor. All right, we got our wings right here. They're dry. We've got our Creole mustard, spicy brown mustard, some of my seasoning, or whatever Creole or Cajun seasoning you like, and a little bit of crab oil. And we just gonna rub it in, man. You definitely need some gloves for this, man, because it's gonna get messy. That's why I recommend putting some parchment paper or wax paper under the bottom. But this is you may think that the mustard is going to leave a crazy flavor, but it's actually not. It's actually not. It's actually going to kind of dissipate and leave its good flavor behind and take the bad flavor. The bad flavor is gonna kind of dissipate if you think mustard has bad flavor. And this is all you're gonna do. You're just gonna mix them all together. I recommend leaving them in the refrigerator for a few hours, and we'll go on to the next step. Again, this is pan fried smoked Cajun wings, baby. Tailgate approved. Y'all stay tuned. All right, there they go. You're gonna let these sit in the refrigerator. You can probably let them sit in there. I mean, you can let them sit in there overnight if you want to. I'm probably gonna let them sit in there probably about 4 or 5 hours, and then we'll move on to the next step. But trust me when I tell you that mustard is not going to be, it's not gonna kill the flavor of these chicken wings. And as you can see, that mustard and that seasoning together has spread out real nicely. So at the end of the cook, if you want to dust them with some lemon pepper, some garlic butter, or whatever, they'll be ready for it. Y'all stay tuned. All right, the next step in this process is cast iron skillet time. Like I said, you can do this ahead of time so that you can have it for the tailgate or for wherever you're trying to take it the next day. But cast iron skillet is an important part of this. And I'm using, I'll show you in a minute. Let me put that in there. I'm doing a shallow fry, a pan fry. I'm using some Crisco vegetable oil. If you like canola, use canola oil. All right, let's go ahead and start frying our wings. The key to this is to make sure that your grease is hot. And we're going skin side down first. Hot grease is the key. And we're not looking for color. We're not really looking for color. We'll get the color on the smoker. What we're interested in is crisping up that skin just a smidgen to make sure that we don't have rubbery skin when we go to cook them. And actually, when you do them this way, I'm telling you, they take on a lot of flavor from that grill. So, I'm gonna sit there and let them sit there on that side for probably about 4 to 5 minutes. I'll flip them over and do a shallow fry on the other side. On the cooking rack they go. We'll go to the next batch. Stay tuned. All right, they've been on this side for about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them over. That's what you're looking for. Just a light color, but you can tell that the skin is nice and it's getting real firm. And that's what you're looking for. You're not looking for too much color. Again, you're gonna finish these off on the smoker, so the color is not important right now. That's it. We're gonna let them sit on that side for probably about a minute or two. We'll take them off. On the rack they go. All right, remember the key to this is don't only flip them once. Don't flip them back and forth. Don't do that. Flip them once. We're gonna let this skin side cook down. We're gonna render fat up under that skin. Get that skin good and crispy, and then we'll flip it over. But again, we're not worried about color. These are some of the ones right here that are ready to go. They're on a cooling rack. They're gonna cool. You cool these down. You can put them in the refrigerator. You can cool them and then put them in the refrigerator and throw them on the smoker the next day for the tailgate. All right, here's the wings. We just did a shallow fry on these wings right here. I'm gonna allow them to cool. Once they cool, I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator, and I'm not gonna smoke them until tomorrow. All right, just to give you an idea of what we're doing, we're gonna flip smoke fried wings on this ear. Generally, in a restaurant, I know I worked in one. What we would do when we had fried wings is we would take the wings, do a shallow season on them, and then stick them in a 375, 400 degree oven for like 20 minutes, and allow them to cook through a little bit. And then we would take them out and put them on the cooling rack and put them in the walk-in to cool. And then the next day, when we had an order for wings, all you had to do was go get your wings. They're already halfway there. You take them, you drop them, your 6, your 9, your 12, or however many you need. And the cooking process is faster. And also, you don't get that raw chicken taste that you get from trying to cook a raw wing, trying to fry a raw wing. So trust me, it's a time saver. It's going to save you a lot of time. Pan fry them, or if you don't want to fry them, stick them in the oven on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then the next day, cool them down, and then the next day, throw them in your smoker, baby. Trust me, you're going to love them. Stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, we're going to put these wings on. We're going to cook them at about 300 degrees. We're going to probably leave them on there for about 35 to 40 minutes. For this recipe, peach wood is a good wood to use, man. Peach and chicken or poultry go hand in hand. Look at that smoke just rolling over that peach wood. Hands down, some of the best wings you ever gonna eat. Trust me. Yeah, boy. All right, let's check them out. Looking good. Probably got about 15 more minutes to go. All right, it's time to take these wings off. Look at them things. Beautiful. Alright, y'all. The wings is done. So now you know what time it is. It's time to plate up. Look at that. Beautiful. Still got a little bit of the texture on there from those mustards. Beautiful. So we're gonna do these two different ways. Like I say, you can do, once you get them to this point, you can do what you want to do. Find you a good lemon pepper, a good garlic butter or lemon pepper that you like. These right here, garlic parmesan. Alright. And then we're going to go over here on this side and get them on here first. Alright. There go our wings, y'all. I got a little garlic hot wing sauce right here. Got some crushed garlic, hot sauce, and butter. And I'm gonna pour some of that right on top. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hit it with a little bit of lemon pepper. Boom. This side, a little garlic parmesan. And that's it, y'all. We got a little garlic hot wing sauce right here with some lemon pepper dusted on top. And over here, we have some garlic parmesan. Pan fried smoked wings, baby, with peach wood. With a little creole mustard and some creole seasonings. Can't go wrong, man. Perfect tailgate food. Yeah, boy. Alright, y'all. This is going to be short and sweet. There it is right there. Hot wing with a little crushed garlic, some lemon pepper. Man, that's good. The peach wood is actually really good with it. It's kind of like a mild hickory. But bro, I'm telling you, try it out. Pan fried smoked wings. Pan fry them the day before. When you get to the tailgate, put them on the smoker. Trust me, you're gonna like this. As always, good food, good vibes. I'll catch you on the next video. Yeah, boy!